STEPHANIE. What's going on in the Dimension? Okay, it is your favorite girl Stephanie, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing, okay, you already saw the title. Okay, first of all, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, click on the notification bell so that you can always get notified of all of my videos. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. So today I'm going to be doing a cook with me video. You already saw the title though, but
I'm not sure to snap the meat.
are you I mean, I can't even pause the video. Okay, so okay, what was I even saying? Okay, so I'm going to be cooking vegetable soup actually, but student edition. I'm even going to put it as student edition because students don't cook good food. I'm just laughing because this guy literally snapping the meat I bought, because I bought meat, like we don't eat meat because you need to manage. It's not my meal, turning it anyhow. Hey guys, so I don't know if I'm going to film this video on Paso because currently this kitchen is a very good place, like it has good lighting and everything, but this is the meat. I'm not the one to turn it in here. You can see it's just 4 pieces. So I'm going to look for a good place to put this thing that people can actually see my gas and everything. So let's start. I'm so sorry it's really dark, but it's not my fault. So it's not my fault. It's not my fault. See, I see. Take I already locked this gas. I cannot open it. I'll pause this video when I'm opening the gas. This is a risky game move. This is my phone. Rough play. Okay, so I just light my gas, put my meat on fire. Hey! So this is what my meat looks like. So I'm going to leave it to cook. My meat is cooking. Since it's vegetable soup I'm cooking, I'm going to be listing the ingredients I use. So I'm steaming my meat currently with just mango and salt. So when my meat is cooking, I'm going to be watching the things I actually want to use. So I'll remove this pot from here first. I need space. So I'm going to be watching the things. I'm not going to be talking because I'm going to try to speed it up in the video. Okay, bye. So guys, these are the things I'm using to cook. I'm adding some now. This is my pumpkin leaf, ugu, whatever you guys call it. Water leaf, oil. I bought it like this because I wanna finish, and I don't have money to buy it in bulk for now. Pepper, same thing. Crayfish and onion. I like using my onion also inside pot cover because I cannot wash plates and break up tired. Then mango, of course, and salt. So my meat is ready, so I'm going to put my oil, and look at it. So I'm going to put my oil right now, and I'll see you guys later. Oh jeez, guys, it is literally so hard. So this is me putting my oil. So guys, I just put my oil and mix it. Okay. So guys, this is my salt. I don't want to video. I'm gonna put over salt in my food though. Okay. That one is okay. So guys, put everything inside the food: salt, pepper, mango, crayfish. Just a minute for it to boil so I can put my leaf. I cannot be garnishing food like I want to go sell it. So I'm sweating. This kitchen is hot as hell. It's me that wants to eat it. Okay, I'm not at home. If I was at home, I'll garnish it. I'll put fish, I'll put this, I'll put that, put enough meat. But I'm in school, we have to manage. To manage very, very well. Shh, let me show you guys my cousin washing clothes outside. Is it there? Yeah, it's there. Let me try. So like I was saying, we're going to leave this food to boil a little bit. I'm also going to make eba, gari, whatever you call it. We're going to leave this food to boil a little bit. Then we're gonna come back and put the lid. Okay, bye. Okay. It's time to put my leaf. I'll first put my water leaf, of course. This is water leaf is that year. Yes, water leaf first. Why I pack this out with my hands? It's Nigeria, we cannot waste. So it's not my life. I'm going to put my leaf without showing you. So that's it. Oh, that's it. Time to mix, and my food is ready to be eaten. Like I will add water, it's too dry. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see me, but my water has boiled. Show me of this gas because I love my life. So I'm going to okay, I'll see you guys. Ugh. So this is my eba. I forgot to show you guys this soup when it's like ready. I'll show you guys later. It's currently in a dark place kinda. So guys, this is what my food is looking like. So after showing you guys what it's looking like, that's it for this video. If you all like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and do all you got to do. And for the notice, it is the same day, like the same evening. I have somewhere to go, so that's why I changed. Same day, the same evening. So that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment, do what you got to do. I love you all so much. I post videos every Wednesdays and so on days. Tell your friends to subscribe, share. What you got to do. Bye.